In this video, we'll show you how to install NaturalVision Enhance. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so NaturalVision Enhance, or NVE for short, is one of the most realistic graphics mod available for GTA 5 Enhance. It completely transforms the game visuals with upgraded lightings, weather, shaders, textures, vegetation, ambient colors, and much more. The good news is that installing the latest version of NaturalVision Enhance is actually much easier. You don't need to install everything through OpenIV anymore, so as long as you have a clean copy of GTA 5 Enhance, you can simply copy the mod files into your game directory, and you're ready to go. So here I'll walk you through every step so your GTA 5 Enhance looks even more realistic. Alright, before we begin, here's something important to keep in mind. NaturalVision Enhance is made for GTA 5 story mode only. Since we'll be installing mod files into the game directory, you shouldn't use this while playing GTA Online, and if you want to switch back to online later, it's recommended to keep a separate clean copy of GTA 5 Enhance or remove your mods before launching the game. I'll explain this in more depth in the next step. Alright, so first let's download NaturalVision Enhance. You can go to the official website, which is raisemods.com. I'll put the link in the description, or you can just type in NaturalVision Enhance on Google and the official website will be on the top. So just click on it, and once you're on the website, as you can see, there's many options, but we're gonna go for GTA 5. So click on GTA 5 and then you're gonna see this. The first one is NaturalVision Enhance. This is for GTA 5 Enhance, and NaturalVision Evolve for GTA 5 Legacy. So we're gonna install this NaturalVision Enhance. Just click View, and then you'll see a download button. Just click on it and it'll bring you to a download page. So once you're here, you need to download the latest update. For example, the latest update for me now, it's update 2. So it's going to be this one. You don't need to download the old versions. It might be different for you, but just download the latest update. So just click download like that, and then save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder, and then hit save, and it'll start downloading just like that. So while we wait, we can download the next requirement. So to install NVE, you need Scribbook V. I'll put the link to download it in the description. So you just click on that, and once you're here, just simply download the latest version. So hit download and then save it on your PC. Alright, once you finish downloading, you'll have the NaturalVision Enhanced zip file and also the Scribbook V. So to install it, you'll also need your GTA 5 Enhanced directory. You can go to these paths, which is the default location for GTA 5 Enhanced, but if you cannot find it, I'll show you how to locate your GTA 5 Enhanced directory through your launcher. On Epic Games, you can go to Library and then look for your GTA 5 Enhanced, click the 3 dots on the right, and then hit Manage. And here you can click the folder icon to open the install location. On Steam, you can do the same. Go to Library and then look for your GTA 5 Enhanced, right click on it, go to Manage and hit Browse Local Files. It'll also open your GTA 5 Enhanced directory. And once you find it, you need to make sure your GTA 5 Enhanced installation is completely clean. If you previously installed visual mods, graphic overhauls, you need to remove them first. We have a video on that to clean install it, so go ahead and check them out. Here, what I have is a clean installation, no mods at all. And as I said, if you want to play online, I recommend you to back up your GTA 5. To do that, you just basically copy the entire GTA 5 Enhanced folder, right click, hit copy, create a new folder, name it backup like this, and then paste the entire folder. So whenever you want to play GTA Online, you can use the clean installation. Alright, now I think we're ready to go. So let's install NaturalVision Enhance. Alright, so it's in the zip file. You can open it up with WinRAR 7-zip. But for this video, I'll just extract it so you can follow along easily. Right click on NaturalVision Enhanced zip file and then hit extract all. You'll see this menu. Hit extract and it'll start extracting. After it's done, you'll have it in a folder. So let's open it up and see what's inside it. Here you'll have the main package folder and then optional add-ons, and also there is a readme install guide. You can open it up if you want to see the installation guide, and also you can see the recommended specs here. Make sure your PC is good enough to run it. But in this video, I'll show you how to install it anyway. So let's close this and let's install the main package. Let's open it up, and here to install it, you simply need to put these into your GTA 5 Enhanced directory. You can select everything, right click, hit copy, and then go to your GTA 5 Enhanced directory, right click, and hit paste. Or what I like to do is just select everything and drag and drop it into your GTA 5 Enhanced, just like that. It'll take a moment, and after it's done, NVE is basically installed. on your GTA 5 Enhanced. But if you go back, we also have optional add-ons folder. So obviously this is optional. You don't need to install it. Let's open it up. Here what we currently have is volumetric clouds. And if you want to install it, there is an install guide as well. Let's open it up. And as you can see, you can follow this guide here. You need to copy onigiri and reshape shaders folder. Let's go ahead and do that. These two folders, put it into GTA 5 Enhanced directory, and that's done. And also we need to turn off NVIDIA Reflex in the game settings, which we will do once we're inside the game. Everything is basically installed, and now let's install ScribbleV. Let's extract the zip file first. Just like before, right click, hit extract all, hit extract. Let's go to the folder, and here you want to go to the bin folder, and what you need here is X input, ScribbleV, and D input 8. So select these, and then right click, hit copy, and paste it to your GTA 5 Enhanced main directory, and that's basically it. NVE is successfully installed on your GTA 5. But before you launch GTA 5 Enhanced, you need to disable BetOnline, so you don't accidentally go to GTA Online and risk getting banned. To do that, on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to Settings, and here simply uncheck BetOnline to disable the anti-cheat, just like that. And now you can launch the game like normal. Hit play. If you installed everything correctly, you'll have a pop-up on the top of your screen. And inside the game, you should immediately notice the new lightings, weather effects, reflections, improved vegetation, and the overall visual overhaul. Now to get the best experience, there are a few in-game settings you should change. So let's open up the menu, and then you want to go to settings. Here, go down to graphics. And what you need to change is enable ray tracing. You need to set it to on, and then hover down. You also need to set the particles quality to ultra, and also set the post effects to ultra as well. The in-game depth of field effects is recommended to be set to normal, and here what I like to do is to reduce the motion blur strength. Settings other than that, you can play around, like frame scaling, I turn it on. Frame generator is also turned on for me because I need more FPS for this. And also after you're done with the graphics settings, you need to go to display and make sure you set the brightness somewhere around 50%, so it's not too bright or too dark. So after you're done with your in-game settings, the next thing we can do is to play around with the NVE settings. You can press insert on your keyboard to open up the menu, and now you'll see this. There are several tabs here: home, NVE, settings, add-ons, statistics, log, and about. So the first tab, which is home, you'll have all of the reshape preset. For example, color, green screen, photo, raindrops, and also if you install the optional add-ons, you'll have the volumetric clouds as well. There's low quality, medium, and high. Now to enable them, you can just check on one of them. So for example, color, let's check it. And on the bottom, you can select the filter. Let's see if it's good. Default, color boost filter, vintage, VHS. Yeah, they don't really look nice. So let's stick around with the color boost filter. And if you scroll down again, you can adjust your brightness, contrast, saturation, and the other adjustment. And next, because I installed the volumetric clouds, here I can enable the preset. I'll select the high quality, and to make sure it doesn't look buggy, you need to set your NVIDIA Reflex if you want to use volumetric clouds. So let's go back to the settings menu and then go to graphics and turn off NVIDIA Reflex, just like that. Personally, I'll turn off volumetric clouds because it's tanking my FPS really bad. But let's go to the next step, which is NVE. Now inside it, you'll have clouds, graphics, trainer, FreeCam, and keybinds. So for clouds, you can change the cloud speed and performance. I don't really want to change this. Let's go to graphics. You'll have the RTGI and RTAO settings. So if your PC can handle it, you can stick with the increase option, but you can also set it to vanilla. Next, there is day bloom and night bloom. So personally, I don't really like the day bloom. So here what I can do is just decrease it to 0, just like that. It looks better for me. And then you can check the convolution bloom and also the shader enhancement. If you don't know what they change, you can hover around the question mark and it will tell you what it's changing. Next, there is trainer. So NVE comes with a built-in trainer. You can spawn vehicle. You can select a vehicle type and the vehicle you want to spawn. So like this. Vehicle paint, you can change the color of your car, and then weather, you can change the weather, and also at the top, you can change the time of the day. You can also teleport if you want. Okay, next there's FreeCam. If you want to take a picture, you can play around with the settings. To enable it, you can go to keybinds and change your keybind. To use the FreeCam, slow motion, just click on it and press the button you want to use. Next, on the settings tab, if you want to change the overlay key, you can just click on it and then press the button you want to use. So by default it's insert, and that's basically it. Alright, now your GTA 5 looks way more realistic, and I think that should be it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.